Bonafide Hustler here. It is pretty sunny outside, and we're about to hit up some garage sales. My gosh, the sun is in my eyes. It's early morning, but we might find some cool things today. Let's see. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of super sunny spaceship, and it is just coming through my eyes. It's a little too much sunlight right now, honestly. But anyways, we're gonna go check out some garage sales and see if we can find anything cool. I'll put it on this video. Get out of my eyes. Yeah, let's get to the first one and see what we find. What a novel idea. Maybe put some sunglasses on, Bonafide. Oh yeah, that might work. So yeah, we're gonna have about, I don't know, 6 to 8 probably quality garage sales today. And I'm technically gonna early bird the first one by a little bit. And we'll just see what kind of items are out there. It did look pretty good. All kinds of stuff from like electronics to bikes to sporting goods to camping gear. So I think we're gonna find some good things today. I'm in the small spaceship. And plus I still have to go and get eggs at the farmer's market anyway. So we're gonna go garage selling today. There's nobody with me in the hot seat, but next week we might have an e-money. It's possible. But yeah, the first garage sale is about 5 minutes down the road, and we'll see. So the first garage sale looks like this, and I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty bad. But I think the person's just staging. See some cassettes on a table that is right around there. We can kind of see some cassettes, but there's pretty much nothing good here. I thought there was gonna be some bikes and stuff, but I guess we'll see. Okay, so I got a free bike from this garage sale. We got to de-rust this chain and get it operational again, but got a free bike. Unfortunately, there's a lock attached to a really bad part of the seat, so I'm just gonna have to put a new seat on there. And I couldn't find the keys to this lock, but this lock's actually a pretty good lock. It just sucks. I really wish they did. Anyway, and then we also got some weights that are right there. I'm gonna go pick up, and I'll show them to you here in a second. First garage sale, mega scores. Check this out. Dolly Parton cassettes. $2, bought all these, and they're all in there in a Wham cassette too. Got these really interesting Freebird boots. They're like harness style. They're so cool. Women's, obviously. Zipper back. This was $5, so $10. Talked her down to $5. And these I'm gonna put in the booth for like 80 to 100 bucks, and I think they'll sell. And then the big winner. These were listed at $50, and I spent 40. All right, and these are like really good condition Power Block EXP, all the way to 50-pound weights. These are awesome. They're adjustable dumbbells, and they're totally awesome. Anyway, that's something you don't see every single day at a garage sale, and these things are mint. Pretty cool, right? You go to 20, 40, and 50. By the way, you want to see something that really freaks me out is when I park next to these things. You see this right here? It's like a storm drain. Those things freak me out, you know, because when you open your door and you're like jumbling with your keys or your phone and stuff like that, I've had friends that have launched their phones and keys into things like that. It scares me. All right, it just scares me. And oh yeah, the dumbbells, right? The Power Block EXPs, those are probably gonna sell between $200 and $250, and that's just kind of like the going rate in town for stuff like that. So pretty good scores of that first garage sale. That red bike on top of my car, you know, when I get that thing all fixed up, and then the low end is probably gonna be, I don't know, probably like $100. High end, maybe like $150. It's not the greatest bike, but in working condition, it has a front fork, you know. Yeah, about 100, 150, something like that. The next garage sale is right here, and it looks like it has some cool antiques. There's definitely a black globe that is interesting right there. So I'm gonna go check this one out. I wanna try to get that globe though, and globes do really well in the booth. Okay, so I did get the globe, and it is sitting right behind me. That was $1 at a garage sale, dude, $1. So that thing in the booth is probably gonna sell between 20 and 40. Those kind of globes sell really well. I'll clean it up a little bit when I get home. I am gonna do a booth drop later on today. And yeah, we'll get to a next garage sale here in a second, but I have to go to the farmer's market and get some eggs first. So that's the first thing. And then more garage sales. It's such a beautiful day outside today. My gosh, I swear. I do plan on being live a little bit later on today on a Saturday. Kind of crazy, but maybe you'll be lucky enough to catch me. I do have a garage sale video to upload before this one. So by the time you see this, I mean, obviously the live is way gone, but yeah, it's just a really nice day. Found some cool stuff at garage sales, feeling pretty good about it. And about to get some magic eggs. I mean, dude, how could the day suck at this point? It's gonna be really good. It's just gonna be the good day. So I heard about a study that was done saying that 5 eggs a week is super good for you know, offsetting cognitive decline, and it's very good for your brain in general, like all sorts of stuff, great for your heart. And I eat 5 eggs a day. Yeah. How many of y'all eat eggs out there? Let me know. So I go to farmers markets. I mean, I know my farmer. These eggs are magic eggs here in Austin, Texas. They're from Suretail Creek Farm. And we're gonna go get some on this video. Well, this is Austin for you right here. Yeah. There used to be a ton of sun at the farmer's market. And now it's usually shaded by this huge thing in about an hour. About to get these eggs. I got the cooler strapped on me. And on the corner is Suretail Creek Farm. That's the one you want to go to. Got to get these magic eggs. They're that good. Yeah, these eggs are $9 a dozen. And no, I'm not living lavish or anything like that. I just don't eat out and stuff like that. So I save my money in other ways to afford stuff like this. But yeah, $9 a dozen, but they're huge. They're called jumbos. Yeah. So like, this makes me really happy, honestly. Feeding my brain, feeding my health. This is what it's all about. I mean, you should get excited about things like that. I get excited about great workouts, you know, good flips. I mean, that excites me. Finding those weights today, that's gonna be a good flip. But little things like eggs, I don't know. Maybe I'm a dork, I don't know.
How's it going?
It's going all right. Look at that, nice. How loyal am I to this place? How loyal am I?
Pretty loyal. Four jumbos every time.
So yeah, clearly I am happy that I got the eggs, but I'm also happy that there's another garage sale right here, and we never know what we're gonna find. That feeling just makes me feel so good. I'm weird about the eggs, but I'm also weird about the little feelings that I get when I see garage sales across the country. Doesn't matter. I get to a garage sale, I just feel, I don't know how to explain. It's kind of like the Christmas morning feeling, to be honest with you. But let's see what's out here. It's a lot of crap, but it could be good. This is a cool little purse thing. Might be interested in that for sure. $10 or less. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, this is kind of a weird situation, but there's nobody here, and there's a bunch of paper outside saying feel free to shop if you want, with like a QR code and Venmo and all that. Okay, but then there's a lot of dew outside, right? There's a lot of moisture, so all the stuff on the paper is like bleeding, and I can't tell what the prices are for anything, so I don't even know what to do. I guess I'm gonna knock on the door and see if I can get a deal on something here. There's like nobody here. It's crazy. I mean, maybe I'll just pay whatever. No one's answering the door. I don't know what to do. I got high morals and stuff, you know, but what do I do in this situation? Okay, let's see if we can figure out how much things are. Because I'm interested in this leather jacket thing. $3. Please use Venmo. $5 if I'm not here. Okay. I really want this jacket. I would pay $5 for this leather jacket. I just don't know. And the bag had a little tear on the side, so I'm not getting that. But this leather jacket and these On shoes, I think about getting these too. They look like they're in good condition. Make sure here they're not coming apart. Oh, never mind, they're coming apart, so that's not good. I'm glad I looked at that. So it looks like it's just the leather jacket now. I guess I'll $5 for the leather jacket, I guess. I mean, nothing here is more than $5. There's a $1 table, a $2 table, a $5 table, and then a $3 table. So the highest price I see here is $5. The hammock stand is 10. So I guess I'll pay $5 for this jacket. I'm gonna just take it on a whim. We'll see what happens. All right, I got the jacket. Walking away with it. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like this thinner Cafe Racer leather jacket. Pretty cool. There's no brand on it, which is nice. That means people can't look it up in the booth when I put it there. But yeah, I'm gonna ask around $50 to $100 for this thing right here. That's just too weird. I had to be all like hush hush, you know, when I was talking over there, because I should probably get out of here, to be honest with you. Because if that leather jacket's like $20, then there was no sign for $20. The highest price I saw was $5, so I paid the highest price I saw. Did I do it right? Oof, let me know down below. This video is taking all sorts of weird turns, I swear. But anyway, we're gonna go to an awesome garage sale that starts at 10, and there should be some bikes there. Wish me luck. Okay, next garage sale is right here, and I'm definitely early birding it by like 20 minutes, so let's see what we can find here. Yeah, we'll just give it a whirl. Who knows? There's supposed to be some bikes here, but I doubt they'll be here now, but we'll see. This bike's pretty cool. It's worth about 100 in town. Okay, so I bought a couple things from this garage sale. The first thing for $2, I got this thing. It's a toilet paper holder. It's like a bear looking thing, pretty neat. I like it. You know, I need something to hold my toilet paper while I, okay. Anyway, but we did pop on that bike. There it is. This is a Trek Pre-Caliber, and a Trek Pre-Caliber is like $300 to $450 new. This thing's in really good condition. It's only 2 years old, so I did pay up for it, $50, but I think it could sell for $150, $200 all day. It's in very good condition, stock tires, everything looks good. There's nothing that it needs. And yeah, this bike right here will definitely sell for $150, $200. I mean, this is a humongous bike town, and if you go to the Trek store right now and you try to find a Pre-Caliber right there, just like that, it's gonna be like $300 to $450. And this one's in pretty good condition, paint looking good, so I had to buy it. It's really unsuspecting, but yeah, when you see Pre-Caliber, that's definitely some of the newer Trek stuff. And it's just in great condition. I mean, look at this thing, right? Yeah, and it comes with a little basket and all that stuff, but you know, I think it's a perfect kind of bike. Just won't need anything really. It'll rifle through all the gears like no problem, and yeah, wipe it down a little bit. $150, $200 all day. Garage sale day going down. As a reminder, this entire month of March, by the way, we are in Shoes to Bucks month. That's right. You might be wondering, what the hell does that mean? Well, you know, shoes are a really big thing. They're in every thrift store, every garage sale, everything. They're everywhere you go. Shoes. So I have a guide called Shoes to Bucks, and it's marked off 50% for this entire month. We're just going to be putting an emphasis on shoes on Instagram and the stories for the entire month. So if you're interested in the Shoes to Bucks thing, then click the second link down below. Go check it out and just cop that deal. It's 50% off. So anyway, it should be a Bikes to Bucks month. I mean, look at this. There are bikes there and there are bikes there, but maybe that'll be next month. I don't know yet. But yeah, shoes are definitely a big seller for me. And as I open the garage and put these bikes in to work on them, there's shoes on the ground right there that have been processed and they just need to be put in boxes and stuff like that. Beautiful day outside. Oh man, I love garage selling on a nice sunny day like this. It's just good. Standing at about maybe $500 to $600 profit for the day already, so that's pretty good too. Okay, here's our next garage sale. This person's moving to New York, so I think they're getting rid of a lot of things. We'll check it out. Didn't find anything there, but I did catch a word on Craigslist that there's like a rummage sale next to my house, so I'm gonna go check that out. All right, there's the crazy rummage sale. Let's go check it out. I'm really close to my house, like 2 minutes away, so this is only gonna be good. But I'm still close to home. So it's kind of like you put a big pile together and then you just talk a price later. So let's see what we can find. These are pretty cool. All your stuff, yeah?
No.
No, okay. These are pretty cool, but they got some wear and tear. That's a pass on that. Found this cool backpack though. Maybe this will be something good. Pretty neat. A little Langley bag. I'll check that out. Oh, there's stuff everywhere. There's like vintage toys everywhere and all this random stuff, but so you can find some absolute certainties here. There's so much to look at. I don't even know where to start.
I know that's
Those really neat boots. I love that. That could be a really good seller. These are really cool. Take that. So from all that, I walked out paying $20. Got this polyester, unfortunately, but it's got a pretty decent retail. Anyway, this is just a Ralph Lauren kind of. It's not Sherpa. It's not like sheepskin line or anything. It's just a long coat. I'll throw that in the booth for like, I don't know, $60 or so. Got this Langley backpack. This is a TBD. This is a camera backpack. It's super cool. I mean, like super cool. A little bit of residue right here, which I'll clean off somehow. I'll figure all that out. Anyway, yeah, nice backpack. That is TBD. I'll look it up. I'm thinking about 100 on that just from the way it's built. And then we got these cowboy boots that are super sick. This is probably the big winner right here. I'll be listing these for right around, even though with a little bit of separation right here, they can be resold, you know. It's probably going to be $100 to $200 in the booth all day, just from the simple fact that it is, you know, got some good tooling to it, and underneath the tooling is snakeskin, or what looks like to be snakeskin, so that's cool. I love these boots. Nice place to end the day. And that's where this video is going to end, like right outside of this little rummage sale. And I hope you enjoyed everything. Let me know what your best find was from this video. And if you went garage selling, you can tell me what your best find was too. I'll look at the comments. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.